So, this is the famous nanosuit we keep hearing about.
Man, I gotta get me one of those.
Yeah, like Uncle Sam's gonna spend millions to protect your scrawny ass, Johnson.
Hell, you won't be mouthing off when I've got my super suit. I'll go ninja on your ass.
Now that I'd like to see.
Okay, guys, we're entering a combat zone. A lot of SAM activity down there. I'm gonna circle around and fire countermeasures before we land.
KPA's rumbled us, mate. The bastards are blowing this ridge to smithereens. Keep your head down or you'll lose it.
Why the hell are we landing here?
It's either Shells or Sam's. Shells tend to miss me.
This is as far as I go, gentlemen. The harbor's still too hot. Good luck out there.
Damn, I wish I had one of those suits now.
Corman, get the engine on board! I want the sheets all over your Artillery! Follow me, sir! Lieutenant Bradley's waiting for you at the overlook! Shit! Down! Get down! Get down!
Get down!
Shit!
Get down!
Artillery!
Move it, soldier!
Incoming! Airstrike started! Let's move! For Christ's sake, give me some fucking help here! Where are the goddamn medics?
We're gonna get you out of here.
Move it, soldier!
Medic! Somebody give me a medic!
Copy.
Get down! Get down! Holy shit!
013. Oscar Romeo. Osprey Command, the mission's gone to hell! Our position's been compromised! We're taking artillery fire from the harbor!
Lieutenant, I don't give a good goddamn about your problems. You will take out those AAs, and you will hold that road. Understood?
Son of a bitch.
Understood! Holy shit! There goes another one! Nomad, we're really up against it here. The Koreans have AA guns in the harbor. Jets can't get a lock. Something's jamming our radar. We gotta take out those last AAs so our heavy VTOLs can land!
Doesn't sound too difficult.
You want the job? You got it!
I'll hold the ridge. Catch you up later, okay?
Echo, bring coordinates 9134513. Oscar Romeo, bridge coordinates 01385021. Golf Echo, bridge coordinates 39133019. Bravo, bridge coordinates 7013019. Uniform Sierra, grid coordinates 39001831. Hotel Sierra, grid coordinates 89909113.
Maximum speed. Maximum armor. Maximum strength. Engaged. Maximum strength. Maximum armor. Maximum armor. Maximum.
Got it, Nomad! One to go!
Maximum strength.
Nomad, find those AAAs and neutralize them. Our hands are tied until we can send in air support.
Maximum armor. Maximum speed. Maximum armor. Maximum speed. Maximum armor. Maximum speed. Maximum. Maximum strength. Maximum armor. Maximum. Maximum speed. Energy critical. Maximum armor. Max energy critical. Maximum armor. Engaged. Maximum strength. Maximum speed. Maximum armor.
I've spotted a KPA comms trailer near some shacks to the north of the harbour. Check it for intel on enemy emplacements.
Maximum speed. Energy critical. Engaged.
Finish them off. I'll be your eyes in the sky.
Maximum armor. Engaged. Maximum armor. Engaged. Maximum armor. Engaged.
Stay on mission, Nomad. You gotta clear those artillery units before we can send in airstrikes.
Armor. Maximum armor. Engaged. Maximum armor. Maximum strength. Engaged. Maximum strength. Maximum speed. Maximum armor.
Looks like they've got C4 in that warehouse on the dock. I'll feed you the coordinates now.
Maximum speed. Maximum armor.
Amarao! Sarao!
Engaged. Maximum strength. Maximum armor. Engaged. Maximum speed. Energy critical. Maximum armor. Maximum strength. Maximum armor.
the plan, Psycho?
I've scouted out the harbour. The cruiser down there is bristling with electronics. Must be what's blocking our GPS. Knock out that array. We'll hit 'em from the air.
어디 있어? 놈을 찾아오라.
Maximum speed. Engaged. Maximum strength. Maximum armor.
저기다.
Engaged. Maximum strength. Maximum armor.
롯데가리 씨발놈들. 조심해.
Engaged. Maximum armor. Maximum speed, maximum armor. Engaged. Maximum armor.
Oh man, strike team's waiting on you. Knock out that transmitter.
Maximum strength. Maximum armor. Engaged. Maximum armor. Maximum
덕군 따라와. 한 명 다 했어.
engaged. Maximum armor.
놈을 찾아라. 엎드리라. 이런 개새끼들.
Maximum armor.
Oh man, there's a transmitter on top of that cruiser. See if you can get on board and disable it.
Maximum speed. Maximum armor. Maximum strength. Maximum armor. Maximum energy critical. Maximum armor. Maximum speed. Maximum armor. Maximum armor.
Here's the transmitter controls.
That's it. Air defense is clear. Now paint that cruiser with your target laser and enjoy the fireworks.
Maximum armor. Maximum speed. Maximum armor.
Sniper 1, this is Echo 9. Target confirmed. We are locked in. Coming in hot. Roger, Echo 9. Confirm target. Take it out. Cruiser's down. Hell of a job, Nomad. Our heavy VTOLs are inbound with tanks. Hold off the KPA air units till we can get them. Over.
Maximum speed. Maximum strength. Maximum armor. Maximum strength. Maximum armor.
Way to show 'em how it's done, Nomad. We're moving our tanks into the harbor now. Rendezvous at the rail tunnel. Over.
Maximum speed. Maximum armor.
Gentlemen, my hat's off to you. The harbor is ours. We're heading up the valley. Take one of our tanks and follow the column through the tunnel. You're qualified to handle one of these, right?
Yes, sir.
Psycho! JSAC's got an assignment for you. Fall in with Alpha Company. Lieutenant Cooper's expecting you.
Count me in, boss. Take care of yourself, Nomad. The beers are on me when this is over.
Mike, put a round in that tunnel entrance and let's get this wagon train moving. Nice shot. Now let's get these babies up that valley and give General Kyung a warm Idaho welcome.